And here I am back again with another fun fact. This one is about the Great Molasses Flood of 1919. Like, I can't make this stuff up, guys. In January 1919, Boston experienced one of the most unusual and deadly disasters in American history, the Great Molasses Flood. A massive storage tank holding over 2 million gallons of molasses burst, sending a wave of the sticky substance crashing through the streets of Boston's North End. The 25-foot high wave moved at 35 miles per hour. I mean, that's pretty fast when you think that it's molasses, knocking over buildings and trapping people and animals in its path. Tragically, 21 people died and over 150 were injured. In the aftermath, the cleanup took weeks, and on hot days, residents claimed they could still smell molasses in the air decades later. I mean, that's almost unbelievable.